The COVID-19 pandemic crisis radically changed our way of living almost overnight. It has forced us to stay at home in an effort to slow down its spread, if not breaking the chain of infection. Being under quarantine can be such an overwhelming situation, especially if it's prolonged. Here are my 12 things to do at home this quarantine period to fight boredom. Baking can be therapeutic. It has a psychological effect that benefits your mind and body. Baking provides your mind something new to engage with, and it's a good stress reliever. It brings a sense of accomplishment and the feeling of something to be proud of, especially when we bake for others. And the smell of freshly baked cookies is always such a nice treat, and it brings instant happiness. Self-care is an activity that we consciously and intentionally do to take care of our emotional, mental, and physical health. The practice of self-care is important as it gives us positive feelings and helps in boosting our confidence and self-esteem. Meditation, self-massage, facial care, and giving ourselves a break by disconnecting digitally for at least an hour a day are some examples of simple self-care sessions we can do at home. Journaling or keeping a diary helps in managing stress. It is a self-exploration tool that touches thoughts and feelings around the events of a person's life. It helps in clarifying thoughts and feelings, and also in gaining more valuable knowledge about ourselves. Playing board games or completing puzzles is fun. It feels good because it also reduces stress. It helps in maintaining mental health, developing social skills, problem-solving skills, and the best part is it creates family time together. Now, this is something that you won't get bored with. Videoke is a healthy addiction. Not only is it a stress reliever, singing is breathing. It reduces issues regarding shortness of breath, increases the strength of your voice, and the capacity of your lungs. It also improves your posture. Singing not only boosts your immune system, but also your self-esteem. There are many benefits that we can get from reading. Reading provides mental stimulation, helps reduce stress, provides knowledge, improves memory, and helps in expanding our vocabulary. It also helps in improving our concentration and focus. Aside from it creates fun time together, there are unexpected benefits from playing cards. It helps improve patience, discipline, concentration, math skills, and logical thinking. And we also learn how to cope with losing. Take advantage of the opportunity to take an online course this quarantine period. It helps improve self-discipline and responsibility. It requires more self-motivation and time management skills because you'll spend a lot of time on your own without having someone physically present to keep you focused on deadlines. Also, self-motivation is a trait that will help you stand out in the workplace and beyond. Are you getting bored with the usual recipes that you regularly cook? How about trying a new recipe? Trying out a new recipe makes you more mindful of what you eat. You learn to eat more healthfully because you're expanding nutritional varieties of what you eat. The lockdown or this quarantine limits our access with traveling, and I bet that this is one of the first things people will do once the quarantine is fully lifted and we're back to our normal living. But just because there's lockdown or quarantine period imposed, it doesn't mean you cannot travel. Sure, you can. It's not traveling physically though. Hop on board the internet and take a virtual tour. The quickest way to access a virtual tour is just right here in YouTube as well. Just type virtual walking tour on the YouTube search bar and go. Gardening is not just about making your house or space look good. Nurturing plants can also do wonders for our well-being. Physical exercise brought by gardening contributes to healthy weight and blood pressure levels. Interacting with plants that produce flowers can improve our mood and mental health. It is very important to keep abreast with the news, especially this quarantine period, because the news shapes you and you might not even know it. It also shapes those around you, your company, family, and friends. The news is a reflection of what is happening, so it's important to keep abreast and stay informed. Well, there goes my list of 12 things to do at home this quarantine period to fight boredom. What do you think about them? How about you? What are your favorite things to do at home?